Guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, it is nice to finally meet you. By the title of this video, you can already tell that I am forgetting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. Nice to finally meet you as always. So by today's title, you can tell we are going to be getting into this lip look right here. Lip look right here to kind of give you more of a plumped and oversized feel without having to go through the whole process of all the needles and all the extra stuff. But let's get right into these lips. Before I get started on my lips, I'm going to moisturize them using this Butter Balm by Sugar Rush. I like to keep the residue of the foundation from doing my makeup because I noticed that having a little bit of foundation on your lips actually keeps your product on a lot longer. To line my lips, I'm going to be going in with the LA Girl lip liner. This is my favorite at the moment. I use it almost all the time. This is in the shade Cafe. So first, I like to overline the bottom of my lip. So I just kind of follow my line on the sides. And then I'll make this gesture and kind of like push my teeth under my lips like that. For the top, I go on top of my Cupid's bow. So instead of where it's like pink, where you can see where my lip is, I go where it's my skin color. So right up here is where I'm gonna be following. I lean like a chola, elbows up, front to side. I'm just kidding. Then after overlining my lips, I put a little line in the middle, and that just kind of will give your lips more plumped. And then I just shade it in. After we overline our lips, I'm going to be using an even lighter color for the middle of my lips to kind of give it that illusion. And I'm going to be going in with Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Supernatural. So I just put a little in the center, and with my finger I blend it in. Also for me, because I have such a deep Cupid's bow, you want to fill in that middle piece right there and kind of like bring it into a curve. To top off my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Kylie gloss, and this is in the shade Snatched. And voila, our lips look nice and plumped and fake and If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified every Sunday when I upload. And as always, thank you for watching.